Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from, well, it's in a priority mailbox from Hawaii. And on shaking it, it sounds like there's noodles inside. So, barring it's a holiday gift from somebody, hopefully I'll just open it up and find that there's noodles inside. So let's check it out. Oh, wow. A postcard. Let's see what it has to say. Warm greetings, your WhatIf Foods team. Okay. Dear Hans, we're excited for you to try our WhatIf Bam Nut and Moringa Noodles and hope you like them. Thank you, and we are looking forward to hearing your feedback. Warm greetings, the WhatIf Foods team. Okay, so I did an interview. I was going to do an interview for a Singaporean TV channel, Channel News Asia, and it didn't pan out. They didn't want to use me for it, which is fine. You know, that happens sometimes. But it was nice. The host on there, I think it was the host, she referred me to some of the people. The show was going to be about healthy instant noodle products and how that's like a new thing in the market and how it's really popular these days. Well, they referred me to WhatIf Foods, who is somebody that appeared on the show. So that's what is in the box. So let's take a look. Wow, check that out. These are called Moringa Noodles. I really don't know a lot or really anything about these. They look interesting. And then there's these, the Bam Nut Noodles. Let's take a look inside. I'm really curious about this. Let me see. There it is. So we'll crack this sucker open and have a look inside here. And there. Alright. I love this box. I love this box. This is great. Check that out. I mean, it's nice. And oh wow. Here's a seasoning sachet. Another seasoning sachet. Another seasoning. Whoa, another. There must be multiple servings in here, I'm guessing. Got lots of seasoning sachets. Like the whole top is just seasoning sachets. And then under here, you can get a shot down under. Got a thank you note. What? What's the problem? Why did you quit? Okay. That's bullshit. I guess. And this lifts off. I think, yeah. what's in. And here's the noodles. And here's how the noodles look. They're air fried, designed to satisfy, blessed with natural nutrients. But yeah, these are supposed to be nice and healthy. It says this one has sweet hot seasoning. And this one comes with sesame garlic seasoning. Cool. Oh, well, cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at WhatIf Foods. Can't wait to give these a try. And yeah, these are from Singapore and they sound really neat. So yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.